Thank you for joining my channel. I'm super excited to be here right now. Like, for me to be making these videos, it truly makes me happy. We are here to talk about something that is near and dear to my soul and my heart, which is dance heels. Whether you're a dancer or you're just a person who loves heels and wants to go out to like a lounge or a club or walk the streets or whatever you want to do in your heels, these heels are going to be perfect for you because these are made to dance in. So you're not going to be that girl taking your heels off on the street, in the parking lot with her toes on the pavement. So the name of the company whose heels that I'm going to be talking about today is a company called Burju. B-U-R-J-U. Burju shoes. I'm a dancer. I currently dance for a superstar. Her name is Johnny Blaze. You've probably seen her on Love and Hip Hop and Growing Up Hip Hop and all these other things. And I was looking for a dance heel. A heel that I could dance in that would not have my big toe throbbing. I went online, bought the shoes, and they came in about 4 days or so. On their site, they have like this little measurement tool where you can measure your foot just to make sure you're getting the right size. So I would say that their shoes definitely fit true to size because I'm a 9.5 in mostly all of the heels that I wear. By the way, if you're living in another country besides the US, they will take about 10 to 15 days to come because I believe international orders take a little bit longer. Just a little note for you. I bought the shoes and I took them out the pack, and this is the first thing that I saw, which is the book bag. It's where you get to carry your shoes in. Here is the logo, and it just fits perfectly like this. I decided to go with something super plain Jane at first, just to try out the shoe. So I end up getting these bad boys right here, and I'm gonna put the name of them in the description box. I believe this shoe is called Sock something. I don't know, but I'm gonna put it in the description box below. As you can see, I've already worn them out. Like, I've worn them in a lot of classes. That's why I'm coming to you guys with the honest review. No, my shoes are not gonna look perfect. I'm showing you what they look like after I've danced in them and walked in them and turned in them. And these are the most comfortable, the most secure, the most sturdy heels that I have ever tried on in my life. As a dancer, I'm telling you guys this. These shoes are so freaking comfortable. I knew they were gonna be comfortable because when I put them on inside the shoe, like my toes just sunk into like this little padding that it has inside the shoe. You gotta imagine how it's gonna feel for just your average person walking, which I loved. The best thing about these shoes is that as a dancer, I would say, is that you can, with the bottom of the soles, you can get it just for like the studio. Like if you're in a studio type of class environment, you can have your soles for that. Or you can get them made to where the bottom is actually for the street. So if you're walking and you're a street walker. Oh my God.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, Lord. So all of their shoes are from like the 140s to the 170 ranges. You're paying for quality, and even in that price, I'm not trying to be in anyone's pockets, but you can get way more expensive than that, and these are a really good price for a really good shoe. The shoe in particular that I got has like the zip down, so you can slip your foot right into the shoe, and it's just interesting. Now, as far as just the dancer side of things, if you are a dancer, the turns, the splits, even if you did hip hop and heels and things like that, if you follow Aaliyah Janelle, Kiera, just many other dancers out there on YouTube, you will know that these are perfect for their class. Perfect for their class. Perfect for dips, turns, twists, booty pops, twerks, like anything you want, sis. I think all of the shoes on their site actually come with ankle support because, get real, as a dancer, you need ankle support at all times. And this is exactly what they come with, ankle support. Again, I'm gonna say this. If you are not a professional dancer, it is okay. These shoes are still made for you. And on top of that, I got like the plain black shoes, but the styles that they have on their website are actually really, really good. Like some really, really great styles, from patent leather to swishes and swirls and curves and diamonds and boots, y'all. They even have boots. So I'm definitely gonna get me another pair. I hope that you get you another pair. And that's it. Like, thank you. This video was super quick, but I believe and I know that they deserve some type of review. I bought the boots with my own money. This is not sponsored. It's nothing like that. It's just, I'm here to tell you guys about a really good shoe for dance, and a really good shoe for just an everyday woman to wear without their feet hurting, that will last you a pretty good while. Because I've done beat mine up on a curve in studios and splits and turns and got hair. It's just a whole bunch of stuff in it, and they're still holding up pretty good. Thank you guys for coming on my video. I really appreciate you clicking this video because I need love, like, and you guys are giving me that because I got a couple of new subscribers. So hey y'all. This channel is literally going to be based on building your body, healthful tips, skin tips, hair tips, just all the things that I use every day that benefit me, specifically for the body, y'all. I have some amazing things coming for your body and to get you into shape and things like that. That's why you see me trying on like these Ivy Park athletic wear and kind of showcasing my dance heels, because everything that I'm gonna do kind of revolves around health and wellness and keeping your body up and just things that fit you and make you feel good from the inside out. What else do I have to say to y'all? If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on those post notifications so you can know just turn on the notifications. I claim in the year of 2021 that I'm gonna have more than 100,000 subscribers on my channel, and that's just how life is gonna go, because I'm claiming it, I'm manifesting it, I'm believing it, I'm receiving it, all of it. I'm just in all of it. But thank y'all so much. Love you. Bye. Until next time.